Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I'm making multigrain pizza. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. So firstly, I've taken about 300 ml of water. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey and 2 teaspoons of yeast to it. Mix it and keep it aside for 15 minutes. And in a separate dish, I'm gonna take 3 cups of multigrain flour and 3 cups of whole wheat flour. Add some salt and mix it well. Now create a well in between and add about 6 tablespoons of olive oil. So the multigrain flour which I have taken has Jowar, Bajra and Ragi into it. You can take any combination you want. So now I'm gonna add the activated yeast over here. You can see how it has foamed up. So mix that well. Now what we really need to do is bring it all together and knead it into a nice dough, at least for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can see how this has come together so nicely. So we just have to take the dough and fold it on itself, form it into a ball and then place it in another vessel. Apply some olive oil, grease it well, grease the dish and the dough well, and then cover it with a cling wrap and keep it aside for at least an hour. So after an hour, you can see the dough has doubled up in its size, and then you just take it out and knead it again. Dust some flour onto it and knead it really well. You just have to even it out again. So just keep kneading it for about 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. So the kneading is done. As you can see, I'm just gonna divide the dough into 6 equal parts. You can see how it has developed a very different kind of texture in between. So once you have divided the dough, and then you can again make it into small balls and keep it aside for another hour. Grease the dish well, put the doughs into it and then cover it with a cling wrap. Let it rest for an hour. So till then, let's prepare the pizza sauce. I have taken some olive oil in a saucepan and then I'm adding about 12 to 15 pods of garlic crushed. Saute it until fragrant. Now add about 2 medium-sized of chopped onions. Add some salt and let it soften for a minute or two. And now I'm adding about 6 to 8 blanched tomatoes. These are roughly chopped. So cover this and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. After that, season it with some black pepper, oregano or mixed herbs and some salad seasoning if you have. If you don't have, you can opt out of it. Then I'm also gonna add some tomato puree into it, about 4 to 5 teaspoons of tomato puree. This I've bought it from the store. Then add finally some red chili flakes. Cover and cook this for another 5 minutes. Adjust the salt and you're done. So coming back to the dough, it has rested for another hour. Now take a oven safe dish, spread some flour, put the dough onto it and spread it with your hands evenly. Now put some olive oil onto it, poke it with a fork because you don't want it to fluff up. Then add the pizza sauce and your favorite toppings like cheese, capsicum, onions, olives, whatever is your preference. You can add your choice of toppings. So since it is a multigrain dough, you have to spread it that way because it does not have too much gluten formation into it. Preheat the microwave oven at 200 degrees and bake it for about 20 minutes until the cheese is bubbling. So you can see the cheese has a nice golden color to it, and that is what we want. So the pizza is ready, guys. I've used mozzarella cheese over here, so cut it and dig into it. Also you can make it with different kinds of toppings. I've taken bell peppers and mushrooms in this one. And this one is with some paneer and lots of cheese. So you can look how beautiful this pizza is. It is guilt-free and so healthy because we made it with multigrain flour. So what you're waiting for, go and try it out soon. I have put on the link of few ingredients from the dish. Check out the description box if you want to buy them. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this recipe. Also, if you make these, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.